Oh, close the ref. Close. Close mo. Very good. Pengi naman ako niyan. Give it to ate, dali. Give it to ate. Punta ka kay ate, dali. Patingnan mo, dali.
Nagkakusap na kami kagabi ni Mayor June. Okay naman, kaya lang siguro hindi maalis sa akin na yung pagkadugtong kasi ng article was pertaining to me. Tapos yung joke niyang sinabi dun sa dulo. Chris also clarified her real status with the mayor. If you're dated or kung nagde-date kami, klarong sinabi niyang magkaibigan kami. And feeling ko lang hindi mo ginagano ng kaibigan. But as to the future of her friendship with Mayor Junjun Binay, Chris gives this explosive statement. Nalungkot talaga ako kasi okay yung pagsasama namin, okay yung pagiging magkaibigan namin. Pero nga, dahil nalalagyan ng kulay, ang hirap maging friends. Para matapos na lang ito, keep a distance na lang ako. Para wala na lang, para there's no reason for me to get hurt anymore. Mayor June Binay told the Star columnist that he has no immediate
Ano, ang talas ng ngipin ni Cyril, nabubutas niya agad yung kumatis.
Dearly had just passed away. He also needs to take care of his
Give
kids and has the city to manage as mayor. The portion
no
posted by
thanks.
the columnist was just an aside. The mayor said those were in jest. He did not intend to offend anyone, especially Chris. Mayor June and Chris thought he apologized.
Say something fresh.
Hilig mo ay lakasan, hilig sa buong bayan, gagawin natin totoo mga pangarap mo.
Magkawalikot. Dance!
Join the Fresh You Project via facebook.com/ColgateFreshConfidencePH. You're bringing guests home now? But the house smells of fish. Yeah, but what can I do now?
With the new Handy Pure Air Effects, you can now wash away bad odors in the air. Oh, it's the first time I've smelled something this fresh. New Air Effects.
It's girls' night out. Black dress, killer heels, all natural, healthy and smooth. Its formula has fruit vitamins and aloe extract. It makes my hair smoother than ever before. Hair so in place. Effortless. Have a great hair day. The most exciting sports gathering of ABS-CBN's biggest and brightest stars is here.
Cute.
Star Studio Magazine, co-presented by Cinema One.
Beautiful eyes.
The Star Magic Games
Cool,
2011
cool.
on July
Where's your
21,
nose?
2011. Get to win invites to
Ay.
the star-studded event. Simply
Where's
post
your tongue?
a picture of yourself
Ah.
together with any
Ay.
2011 Star Studio Magazine, and you just might be one of the lucky 10 who will get exclusive invites to the Star Magic Games. Deadline of entries is on July 29, 2011.
sa mata niya.
Star Magic Games 2011. See you there.
Alam ko patawanan na galaw yung cellphone para matangay. Ba't mo pinisa? Umano tuloy sa mata mo. Okay ka lang? Are you okay?
Cinemalaya 2011 Philippines Independent Film Festival opened with a bang.
Ayaw magpa-video. Wait, ulo.
It's now in its 7th year and has proven its success as it gains more support from
Tawag si Mama.
filmmakers alike every year. First on the
Naalala ko yung sumirit yung
with its lead cast award
Ganyan itsura mo.
Certified Pikachu.
I'm really excited and I'm so proud of my work here.
Alam mo ba, pagtapos sa kainin yung kalating kamatis, kinain mo yung
Kasi
Ape. Hindi nga, sure.
Kasi marami interesadong manood ng pelikula. Kasi nung 80s, may kwento tungkol sa, na-feature sa programa ni Inday Badida, yung Miss Inday Badida, yung tungkol sa isang babae ng anak ng isda. Natuwa ako sa konsepto na merong babae ng anak ng isda. Kasi paano nga kung may ganun nangyari at paano siya iti-take ng mga magulang supposedly. So yun yung kwento ng pelikula.
After her critically acclaimed performance in Foster Child, is Cherry Pie vying to bag another acting award?
Hindi naman, basta makagawa lang ng magandang pelikula, okay na. Makagawa lang ng magandang movie, happy na ako. This is the only venue for actors like me that can really do this kind of films and this kind of roles. So, I think pag pinasok mo to, secondary compensation. Kasi ang compensation mo yung creative side, yung kaluluwa mo eh. Kasi I always say na when I do films like this, pang kaluluwa.
Derek Ramsey is back on the controversy hot seat from one rumor to another. Derek tackles them all with his ever charming smile. The latest on Derek and his never-ending bout with controversies.
Ay! Malastik ka. Ba't mo hinahataw?
First thought, is Derek getting picky on doing teleseries? Derek clarifies the issue.
I'm concentrating more this year on movies and I love the biggest reader, so
Aboy, ano ka ta dyan?
doon muna ako. 4 years straight ako ng teleserye. It's tiring and
Give me.
you know, you're playing
Ah,
a character or different
tama na.
characters.
Akin yan.
Oo, nakakasira nga ng bayad, so
Ano yan?
Is
Hingi, akin yan.
playing opposite two of the network's most talented actresses?
Ano yan?
Derek confronts the issue.
Akin na yan. Aray, aray ko, aray ko, aray
very
ko.
good actresses and
Akin na yan.
kailangan ko talaga
Akin na yan.
do the very best to every shooting day.
Akin na yan. Nagawin.
Magaling hawak na hawak na yung character nila.
Akin na yan.
Is the jealousy growing with Derek's girlfriend, Angelica Pangaliban, and Christine's boyfriend, Raver Cruz?
On my end, alam ko na artista kami, Angel knows na ano, hindi si Angel hindi na parang
Oy, makakagat naman ako, te. Normal to.
I trust her na hindi naman kami gagawa ng eksena ng gano'n, hindi naman kailangan.
Ay! Buti ka na ako.
Kailangan para sa situation at sa
Inagawan ka, Cyril.
matigan na eksena. I don't know with everyone used to be my ex-girlfriend's girlfriend, so
Tanga to.
Doing a movie with Christine and Derek is also working on another project, this time a comedy with Vice Ganda. Is there any truth to rumors of an attitude problem with Vice? Derek comes to his co-actor's defense.
wala, we share them. You know, ang
Sumbong mo kay mami.
At tagahati kami doon. Bait pa nga ng pamilya ni Vice, dinalan pa ako ng Spanish bread kasi alam nila na may ligaw ng Spanish bread. So, prima donna, wala akong naririnig na ganyan. Wala akong nakikita. Wala akong nakikita na ganyan. We share the same tent and ang bait-bait ni Vice sa akin. So, wala.
Bigay mo na.
Ramsey now in good terms with Phil, young husband, after Angelica's conflict with the actor's fan due to her tweets.
Cyril, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
They were insisting.
Bye-bye.
Phil and I have never, before that issue, I never met